In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off memory integrity in Windows 11 laptop or PC. So for this, at first, just go to your search, and from here, just open up settings. And from here, what you have to do is just go to privacy and security. From here, go to Windows security, and then just go to device security. From here, open the core isolation details. Now, as you can see, under core isolation, I have memory integrity. It basically prevents attacks from inserting malicious code into high security processes. Now, to turn it off, I simply have to toggle this off. And there you go, it has been turned off. I just need to go ahead and restart my device. So just close everything out, then just go ahead and restart your computer, and then your memory integrity will be turned off properly. And basically, that is how to turn off memory integrity in Windows 11 laptop or PC. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.